stay. Let's see here. There. 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 Oh. Come on. Okay, it's a little bit in cold side in here. Oh man. Get this stuff down. Oh my goodness. Hey, now, do you know what? If you look at this clean stay business, man, almost I got it. Oh shoot, I better not close the door. I don't have the key. Okay. Anyway. Okay, so all I gotta do. Is clean stay. Okay, anyway. I don't think that sticker is very effective, but it's all good. It's all good. Here's a bathroom. My little bathroom. Oh man, I'm tired. I am pretty tired. And speaking of this clean stay, hopefully they cleaned the remote. Oh, it says cleaned. Good. Good, good, good. I want clean. Clean, clean, clean. Oh, breakfast tomorrow. I already had lunch, which is probably going to be dinner. Ooh, I can get a chorizo burrito. I don't know if I would eat it, but these are the entrees for dinner. It's a little bit in the pricey side. Oh, what do we got here? And of course, you cannot open the frickin' window all the way. And I want to open the window, especially in a place like this. Because the last I checked, it was 45 degrees in Phoenix and only 30 here. So I think maybe I need to move or something. Wow, look at that, look at those mountains right there. Beautiful. Would be nicer if it had the snow covered. This is an interesting little room. Okay, now the actual room. Oh my goodness. Nice. Okay. Oh, I guess I can take off this mask. But here are the beds. I don't even know if I really looked. Here are the beds. Suppose I'll just sleep right here next to the window. But okay. Nice talking to you. I hope you have a good one, Stuff K. All right, bye.